If you're cooking with utensils that are looking like mine and you have no idea what to upgrade to without spending a lot of money, then you've come to the right place.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Uh-Oh, She's in the Kitchen. Today I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I will be doing an unboxing of these Zulay teak wood cooking utensils. There's 30 pieces in here, so if you guys are ready, let's get into it. Okay, so I want to start off with the packaging. I do love the packaging. I think it's so pretty. I love the color of the package. It's this like navy blue color, and I love how well it goes with this gold detail all around the box and also the gold writing on the box. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. All right, so the first thing that I see here is a note from Zulay Kitchen. Also, everything is individually wrapped. I absolutely love the tissue paper. Some gorgeous dipping bowls. All right, first impressions. These cooking utensils are absolutely gorgeous. They're gonna look so great on the kitchen counter. Aside from them being beautiful, they do feel very durable, and I love the smooth finish to them. One of the reasons why I decided to get these cooking utensils, the wooden ones, is because I wanted to upgrade from my silicone ones. As you guys could see earlier in the video, my silicone ones are falling apart, and I just wanted something better to cook with. So I ended up with the Zulay cooking utensils. The reason why I decided to go with them is because they have really great reviews on Amazon. I love what people had to say about them. Not only are they reasonably priced compared to other cooking utensils, but it looks like they're pretty durable. And as I mentioned before, they do feel durable, and the smoothness, that's what people really like about them as well. And they're also water resistant, which is important because you do have to take care of your wooden utensils, and you do have to take care of these as well. You want to make sure that you wash them right away and that you dry them right away. You also want to, once in a while, put some mineral oil to maintain them. But again, I read that these are pretty long lasting as long as you do take care of your wooden utensils. Well, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in my kitchen. I am super excited to start using this beautiful Zulay cooking utensils. please go ahead and check them out on Amazon. They also sell different products. Like another very popular product that they have is their milk frother. As I mentioned before, this video is not sponsored by Amazon nor the brand Zulay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone!